Today, we're going to take a look at a LED desk lamp. Now, let's take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kindly enough to send this lamp out, and we're going to test it out and put it to use and see how it looks like and how it works. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so the lamp it's not the biggest lamp, but it's enough for a desk. If you're going to have a little small computer or a laptop, this is perfect. They give you the manual, they give you the power. We're going to power it up just to see how it works. I'm going to turn off the lights here and take a external camera to actually video record how well it works. Now, if you guys can see, there is a USB here, and this is actually for a charger, additional charger. So if you want to charge your phone, you can do that too. So I'm going to plug it in, if you guys notice, and there is a little light indication light right here. I'm gonna move this to the side so you guys can see a little bit. You power it on here, and this is actually a dimmer, if you guys notice. With the actual finger is where you actually control the light itself. So this is not bad. This is actually very sensitive, easy, smooth to turn it on and off. If you guys can see that, you can change the color on the actual LED light. I like this one. This is pretty much my favorite, but I will dim it down to like maybe a percentage. If you need some extra lighting, let's see how bright it is. Let's turn off all the lights in here and let's see how bright this thing works. All right, so this thing is taking a lot of brightness. It actually lights up. It has plenty of lumens here, and like I said, you could dim it down to maybe the minimum, so it's easy for the eyes. This is perfect for those that are doing TikTok videos and stuff like that. You can just focus on yourself and put the LED light. Power it on and off. If you guys notice, this is completely off. I do have one light which is coming out of the monitor, but then this is the actual light itself. So if you're gonna charge your phone, you have your phone and you give an adapter, you can always plug it into the back in here, and it automatically start charging your phone here too. So very simple, easy to charge your phone. So this is a desk lamp right here. You guys can see it. My hand, you can see details. If I dim it down, completely turn it off, almost turn it off the whole room, turn on. See where the light's at? You have to turn it on exactly where the light's at. So you turn it on, just follow the light, and then the dimmer. Simple. Like I said, turn it off completely. Everything turns off in here. You can't see it. Back again. Very simple, easy lamp, easy to set up. I hope you guys enjoy it. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.